guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bonyo for those who don't know me, and I am a blogger. I have a blog at trishgalaxy.com. If you haven't checked it, make sure you go and look what's happening there. The link will be in the description box. So as promised from my previous video about hyperpigmentation and how to get rid of acne, I promised to share how I use chemical exfoliation, especially from the Ordinary, their direct acid, to help me fight acne and also the hyperpigmentation or post-acne scars. So I use two products from their line, the direct acid. I use the AH 30% plus BH 2% peeling solution. This one, hope you can see, and salicylic acid 2% mask. Yeah, this one. I use these two direct acid, but on different days, and they perform at least different as for what I do, different function. So before I go deeply into the two acid, I would like to share with you something that led me to start using chemicals or direct acid as exfoliation. Maybe there is someone who has had the same problem and has been wondering what is it, so maybe you might find this helpful. So before, my face was quite good, then I started having breakouts. Then after the breakout, I started removing some products from my routine and introducing new ones slowly. So at this time, I was only using like two products, one serum from the Body Shop and moisturizer. But when my face was starting to get better, I decided to exfoliate. But this time, because I used to use scrub once in a while and it started becoming harsh on my face, when I start to scrub, I used to feel very sensitive and stop. So I decided maybe this is the time, because I don't have breakouts, I can try to scrub. So when I tried to scrub, the following day I had breakout all over, only to realize that it's the scrub that made me breakout, because it teared my skin and wear it off. So I had a lot of breakout and it was not stopping. So that particular scrub was this one. I don't know what you are using, but it's almond scrub, so it has these granules that are big. So those are what causes more breakouts, especially if your skin is acne prone or you have sensitive skin. So if you've been wondering what's up, maybe you should try remove scrub from your routine, and maybe it can work, maybe it cannot work for you. If it's working for you, then well and good. If you don't want to chemical exfoliate as well, and you still want to use scrub, I advise you to use scrub with very fine or small granules, so the ones that when you're scrubbing you don't really feel as if you are tearing your skin, and don't be too harsh on your face while scrubbing. Maybe that one will help you. Secondly, there was this brush again that I was using as an exfoliation brush, which also happened to be so harsh on my face, causing more breakout. So I stopped this one and this, and it's working for me with the chemical or the direct acid or chemical exfoliation. So that's what led me to try the direct acid from the Ordinary, because they have this one, the most common one, that it's a peeling solution. So once you apply it as they have recommended, you wait for about 10 minutes, and then after that it's like it's removing the top layer of all the dead skin.
So this is after washing off the peeling solution. The acid, see how tight, it's really smooth. I noticed that if you have any upcoming breakout, by the next morning it will have smoothened.
One thing I wanted to mention, but I forgot is that I'm not a skincare specialist. This is only what worked for me according to my skin needs, and I thought I should share if there is someone who needs it. So if you are not sure where to start, you can always write The Ordinary, or you can reach out to your dermatologist. Yeah, that's what worked for me. And yeah, I find if something works for you, the better you stick to it. Yeah. Another direct acid or chemical exfoliation from The Ordinary is salicylic acid 2% mask, and this one particular is for blemish prone skin, to remove like the dark spots. So this is a mask. I use it once a week, and it helps me as well, I think, to tighten my skin because it has black charcoal. You see, those days that you're masking days where you're using the charcoal or clay, what do you call it? Clay soil something, that one. So I use this one. I replaced the black charcoal mask, and the other one, the clay, bentonite clay, I've forgotten the name. I replaced it with this one. So you apply it as well, and then wait for 10 minutes, and your face will be tight. And I think it also played a role with the blemishes. Yeah, and that's it. Also, this one, don't apply it on a sensitive skin, on a broken skin. Patch test. My skin, by the way, it's sensitive, but after the first trial and second trial, it got better, and I got used with it. So these are the two products that I am using for exfoliation. Really work well. Sometimes I use the direct acid twice a week, depending on how rough my skin is, but this one once. I don't want to use a lot of it. And most important thing, when using, even without using direct acid, whether you're using acid or chemical exfoliation, make sure you wear sunscreen. Sun's protection is very, very important, especially if you're someone struggling with acne. Make sure you use sunscreen. Please, 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 please. Sunscreen. It will help you fight acne. Let no one lie to you. Yeah. So hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can try the product, and if it works for you, the best. If it doesn't, then try look for something else. Yeah, if you find this video helpful, share, like, subscribe, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. Yes, and let me know if there is anything you want me to try out to talk about a skin routine and how I fought acne and hyperpigmentation. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.